Okay, I'm holding a mirror right now. Holding a mirror. So, first person sifter video today. I got this for my birthday and we're going to try it out. And so you get to see what it looks like when I sift and all those steps. So let's get this situated and hopefully this works. All right, first thing I do here is I pick out these things, coffee filters and other large things. These go into the compost bin. So this will be my scoop out of, and this will be my receiving tray. The original tray is the receiving tray. So I dump this, and I make a judgment call right here, thinking, okay, these look fairly small. These are pretty small. They are from September 11th, but still small. So today is the 24th, and we are just going to sift the first screen, which is A. And this goes down here. All right, let's see what we're working with. So it looks like there are some larvae down there. I don't know how that happened. Overall not bad. And then we'll go down here, and so even though I tried to move them pretty quickly, I do still lose some through the second screen, but that's okay. It's easy enough to just do that. All right, so that goes here. I have a catch basin down there to get everything that would overflow. All right, now we keep going. Big chunks. So this is what happens to tomato skins if they don't go through the grinder. All right, this one too looks like it could be just the first screen. It's pretty warm. Oh man, this one should have a ton of stuff in it. So this one I made a judgment call because there were so many larvae and they're so small and they've been around since July, which makes no sense, but apparently this one got lost in the cracks, so I divided it, and what that means is their life stage should move along a lot quicker now. So let's replicate this. 25, 8-1, 8. This one had a lot in it to begin with, I think. 824. And interesting, 10 sift A, 10, 24 divide B. All right. I don't know where to put this. Oh, this one's both. This one's getting both. Okay. All right, so obviously it's not perfect. There are some in here, but we got a lot captured. So, oh, what I could do is sit these to the side and feed them, which I might do actually. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll set this to the side and yeah. All right, so set this here. Now I'm gonna feed the ones that I just sifted, and this food will be gone in like a few hours. All right, and that one. And filters. Another piece of plastic. How does that happen? So frustrating. All right, yeah, this one can get sifted. Question is probably just A. Yeah, for sure A. Oh shoot, this one's got super tiny ones. All right, we might just have to divide this one. I don't know. Yeah, because some of these, they're going to go through. Okay. Crap on a cracker. Okay. All right. Well, this one gets divided. So 10-3 hatch. And probably next week we can sift this one. 10-3 hatch. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. All right. That was easy. Done. So feed them. So something else I'm trying to do more of a routine here. There was a time when I could do all of these bins in a day, but if I have 80 bins, that's that's 8 hours. So I just can't accomplish that anymore. So what I've decided to do is just take 2 to 3 hours once a week and get done what I can get done, because it has to get done. If it doesn't, they just get way too full. to do this once a week, even if it's just for 2 hours. So this was a demonstration on kind of how I do my sifting. I've gotten really overwhelmed with having to do all of them on a sift day. So what I've decided, just take 2 to 3 hours, sift as much as I can. I can do about 10 to 13 bins in an hour. So 2 to 3 hours, that's, you know, 30 to 36 bins. I have 80, so, you know, week to week, I'll get done what I can get done. That's what I've come to accept at this point, because I can't devote 8 to 10 hours to do all the bins in one go. It's a lot of physical labor. If each bin weighs 25 pounds, you know, you move even 20 of those. That's a lot of weight. So yeah, and another sort of benefit to that would be in the winter time, when I would sift the majority of the bins in the larva room, the temperature in that room drops like 12 to 15 degrees. This way, if I kind of do them in phases, there won't be that huge drop in room temperature. In the summertime, that needs to happen, but in the wintertime, it's nice to have a little extra ambient heat in there. So yeah, there's kind of my little round rover of duties to do sifting. It's a lot of work. It's really satisfying though to watch all of it just accumulate. Just today I've gotten almost a whole tub. So that's what we're working with. I don't know how many bins I've done, maybe 12 to 15. So yeah, so that's my sift day with my super cute head mount. This thing's really tight, man. I should adjust that. I get a headache. Yeah. Oh. All right, well, I'll fix that later. All right, keep it circular. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.